Why is the human lifespan one of the most unnatural, rebellious things in the entire animal kingdom? For most of our history, the average wild human lived to be about 30, not much different from our primate cousins. But today, we artificially farmed humans can expect to live over 70 years. This means that, according to nature's original design, our bodies had a warranty of about 30 to 40 years max. So where did the extra 40 years come from? We basically stole them. After branching off from other primates, we hit a series of evolutionary jackpots, walking upright, mastering fire, developing agriculture, and lighting up the tech tree, and clawed back decades of life from nature's grasp. Think of it this way. Cooking our food killed bacteria and gave us about 10 years. Living in communities gave us another 10. Stable food from farming, another 10. And modern medicine and technology, that's the final 10. From an animal's perspective, what we've done is insane. The proof of our original short warranty is written all over our bodies. We only get 2 sets of teeth, and the adult set doesn't get replaced. For an early human eating a rough diet, those teeth would be worn down to useless nubs by their mid-30s. If our genes wanted us to live longer, why not give us a 3rd or 4th set? Then there's the thymus, a critical immune organ where our T cells mature. It hits its peak size around age 15, then starts to shrink after you turn 25. By 40, it's the size of a peanut. Why would a key part of your defense system be designed to self-destruct so early? Because our genes never planned for us to live this long. The cold, hard truth of evolution is that it doesn't care about protecting the individual. It only cares about passing on genetic information. Our one and only main quest, according to our genes, is to reproduce. Everything else, even eating, is just a side quest to keep you alive long enough to complete the mission. Genes even invented pleasure as a reward mechanism to trick us into reproducing tirelessly. Once we've had kids, and they're old enough to survive, we become worthless to our genes. That's when the planned obsolescence kicks in. The body's repair system starts shutting down, and we begin to fall apart. Aging, sickness, and death, all to clear out resources for the next generation. We are just disposable vessels for our DNA. For some animals, this is even more brutal. The male praying mantis is often eaten by the female after mating to give her an energy boost for the kids. For the Australian antechinus, the male enters a frantic mating frenzy that lasts up to 14 hours, after which a massive hormone spike and total energy depletion literally kills him. His only purpose is to pass on his genes, and then he's toast. Genes are selfish, and we are just the tools they built to replicate themselves. But somewhere along the line, humans developed a glitch in the system, intelligence. And we have used that accidental intelligence to wage a war against our own genetic programming, fighting back to steal every extra second of life we possibly can.